Most first-time visitors to Costa Rica make the same mistake before they even pack their bags. And it quietly ruins the trip that they spent months looking forward to. We call it the Busy Itinerary Trap. In this video, we will show you what it looks like, why it happens, and the simple shift that turns a stressful trip into an experience your family will talk about for years. Here is how the Busy Itinerary starts. You have 7 days. Costa Rica has volcanoes, rainforests, beaches, rivers, wildlife, and culture. So you try to see it all. Arenal on day 1, Monteverde on day 3, Tamarindo by day 5, Manuel Antonio at the end, and a city tour before departure. It looks great on paper. The problem is Costa Rica doesn't move like a map. Roads are narrow, winding, and slow. A drive that looks like 2 hours is often 4. By day 3, your family isn't excited. They're in a car, looking out the window, just waiting to arrive somewhere else. And here's where it makes it worse. Every time you change locations, you lose a full day. Check out, long drive, check in, recover. On a 7-day trip, that's huge. The best trips aren't the ones that visit the most places. They are the ones that stay longer in fewer places. That's when things shift. You woke up in the same place 2 mornings in a row. You recognize the town. You go back to the cafe you liked. You slow down. You notice more. You connect more. That's when Costa Rica stops being a checklist and starts becoming a memory. Not long ago, we worked with the Henderson family from Seattle. Their original plan had 5 destinations. We redesigned it into just 2 regions. On their last morning, their teenage son, who barely looked up from his phone on day 1, he was up before sunrise, asking for one more mountain bike ride before checkout. It happens when you stay long enough to settle in. The Busy Itinerary Trap isn't about wanting too much. It's about not understanding the real cost of time in Costa Rica. Fewer destinations, deeper experience. That's the formula. And it's also why people fall in love with Costa Rica and come back again. Now we know it's not about visiting as many places as possible. That's exactly what we cover in the next video. It's the #1 thing first-time visitors wish they had done differently. To avoid that mistake, watch the next video here.